There's the rain. It's coming down. It's been coming down since last night. But I'm in Northern California. And it looks nice. Yeah. We do need rain. I just hope our governor doesn't take it to the ocean like he's been doing for over a decade now, I think. So this is why we don't have any reservoirs that are completely full, I think. I have no idea why. He says he needs to save some kind of minnow fish. Oh, good Lord. These people in power need to not be in power anymore. Because they're destroying my state. All by design. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. But I'm staying inside. Yeah. It's nice. I love the rain, just don't want to be in it. At least my patio's getting cleaned. Alright, friends. I love you, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And I know I don't make my own videos a lot. I try to. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And remember, today is your day for salvation in Jesus Christ, because we are not promised tomorrow. And Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Bye-bye for now.